Hi, I'm Jessica Eves. I'm the garden and cooking educator here at Darnell Charter School. I'm standing right in the middle of our garden, so I'm right in between our pollinator garden. We have an herb garden here, and then we have about 18 vegetable garden beds where we grow seasonal produce with our students. Some people call it a mini farm because we really just have so much going on here except for farm animals. We don't have any of those yet. It's really just evolved into something way bigger than I ever imagined it would be. We have a compost system. We have a vermicomposting with the worms as well. We do a lot of seasonal planting. We grow everything from seed. So all the plants except maybe here in the pollinator garden, but everything in the garden beds we grow indoors. We start them indoors and then we transfer them outdoors over time. So the kids really get to see the whole seed to table concept. We teach a lot about crop rotation, the idea of, it's important to change the rotation of your crops. We teach about companion planting, how some plants do really well together. We talk about a lot of integrated pest management, about planting certain plants to kind of deter insects or to attract them. And we study different insects every year. Like last year we looked at monarch butterflies. We started a monarch way station. So I heard vegetables, protein, what else? We only generally cook in the cooking classrooms whatever's growing in the garden. And so like right now their table names are all the different crops we have growing. So they get really familiar with the names and what they look like and just realizing, okay, next 3 months this is what we're eating in one shape or form. Keep mixing it around and then we'll add the cheese here in a second, okay? They're excited to eat vegetables. I mean, I get kids who are like, I never realized vegetables could taste this good. For me, that's an eye-opener because a lot of our kids, like young kids anywhere, love junk food. So getting them excited in the cooking classroom to eat sauteed greens and rice and they want seconds, you're like, all right, this to me, I'm making a difference in these kids' lives. And whether they go home and get a chance to eat it, I don't know. We always send home the recipes with our kids. We often have leftover produce and we give that away to our families. And I'm grateful that we get to be kind of a model school of what, some schools would love to be. And I'm fortunate that my school really values this space and this position, and they continue to fund my position full time. We want healthy choices when it comes around food because our kids, this is a lifelong habit that's going to carry through into their adulthood. I'm so grateful. I mean, like I said, I was a classroom teacher as a secondary teacher for 18 years, and I loved what I did. But now I really feel that I'm in an authentic place to show the kids the natural world, show them about food, and teach them about food education. So I'm grateful. I couldn't ask for a better job.